Hey Jeff, so it's doing okay. The signal looks a little choppy, but that's because the movement is inside that heavy diver case, and the machine has a harder time listening as a result. So this cruising speed, I think that's pretty respectable, don't you? I don't know what it is about 7,002s. I mean, because they're just all they really are. They should only be different in terms of their date window, but I'm sorry, their date dial. But I tell you, they just get great numbers. I don't know. So yeah, this is obviously just cruising steady and everything's cool. So I'm going to bolt it together. This thing's ready to go. Um, I did sign. I signed your case back. I also put for JT in it up there at the top. You can't really read it, but see those little things. Okay, let's do the final. I tell you, man, again, it looks a little ragged because it has trouble hearing, but I think it's, and there it is. You can see it's getting, UV is coming in that window there. So that's the original Seiko loom on those hands and the pip. And you'll notice they are all glowing slightly. The promethium on the dial doesn't, but that is what it is. I think it came out pretty well. It'll be a great timekeeper for you. Everything's all set. Okay, thank you.